What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. So today, different style of video, no traveling, just a pure trading video for you guys who are asking to post more trading content. So as you guys know, I was always sharing monthly trade breakdowns, and now that I'm set up again, I'm going to start posting them a lot more for you guys. So today I want to run over a trade that we took last week on USD Swiss franc, which was a trade that ran into 5%, actually closed at 5%, but ran into almost 7%. This was an absolutely fantastic trade. So I want to break it down and fully share it with you guys. So let's just jump straight in. So USD Swiss franc daily time frame, we were creating a very aggressive push back down. If we look at this on the weekly here prior was very bearish. We took out lots of liquidity points here. If you guys see, massive level of resistance here. And what do we do before we're gonna have a real move? We're gonna pop up, we're gonna take out the highs, and then we're gonna have that drop lower. And that's exactly what we did. So I was then, once we had this strong push down, I was then on the daily time frame waiting for this thing just to pull back up, retest some levels before then dropping high. And I actually pulled up a lot further than I expected because I had my Fibonacci on like this, and I was looking for it to come up into the 88 and reject really well. However, on the daily, we actually closed above the 88%, and for me, it wasn't something I wanted to get involved with just yet. As you guys can see, prior to this aggressive push back down, this trend was very bullish. The daily was very bullish, throwing massive wicks to the lows and pushing up much higher. Now, how do you stop yourself from jumping in trades too early? Well, you simply just wait for that break of structure on lower timeframes to tell you that the move is confirmed to go in whichever way you're favoring. So I was watching this on the hourly, I believe. Yeah, so here on the hourly, I was watching for price to come up, take out this high here, like we always do. We take out a previous level of resistance or a high before having the real move. We liquidated that high, and then all I was simply waiting for was price to break structure. So we broke this low here, which was the last swing low. We broke that, came back up for the retest, and then that's when I looked to go short. So how did I know to go short here? Well, all I had was a fib, and I was looking for anywhere from the 50, 60 is a fantastic place for me to want to go short. And now because the risk to reward and move was gonna provide such great returns, I wasn't too bothered about waiting for the 61%. I was like, price has pushed down very aggressive, 4-hour time frame, strong bearish close. So I mean, anywhere on the retest of these levels here, I'm gonna go short, and my entry was, if I can just bring this across, right here. And now all I was then waiting for was for price to push down really nice. Now I didn't expect this to drop as aggressively as it did, but it was absolutely fantastic. The 4-hour close was absolutely beautiful. Then the daily close was even more incredible, and there was no real reason for me to want to secure profits at this point. My first level of interest, I was waiting to see if price was going to bounce around this level. However, the 4-hour time frame smashed through all levels, and we almost had a whole look from the 2nd to the 15th of June. All of them gains wiped out in about 2 candles. So the pressure to the downside was absolutely huge. So I was more than happy to keep holding this trade. Now, this was more of a swing trade, but it only really lasted for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I was securing some profits around here. So really nice day trading position. And now USD Swiss franc has come out, taken out this low here, and this could potentially be a point where we're going to come up and push out even higher. Now, anyone who is short selling from around this region, where do they have their stops? They have their stops sitting just above this high here. Now, because I haven't fully closed my position, I have a little anchor left. Coming into next week, I'm going to be looking to potentially take a long position on this, completely risk-free, for price to come up and take out that high up there before then push higher, or then have another push back down. This trade was absolutely incredible. I just wanted to share it for you guys because the technicals were very simple. You just gotta wait for the liquidity grabs, the break of structure, you wait for the retest, and then you get involved with the trade. And this trade was shared fully within the community. The entry, the stop loss to take profits, everything was shared, and it was an absolute banger of a trade. So like I say, I just want to keep this short and sweet. I don't want to drag out these videos for you guys. Sometimes trades will be more complex than this, and sometimes they'll be really simple. And this was one where it was just really simple and an absolutely beautiful trade. And this is why you need to keep your trading simple. The more simple you keep it, the more you can focus on your execution and your emotions, and that is the most important part of trading. So every month I'm going to be doing these trade breakdowns from now on, as well as, of course, still the travel videos, because I am in a brand new destination, if you guys are wondering, but I'm not going to say where I am just yet. I mean, you probably have already seen if you follow me on Instagram at aaron.trades, but if you don't know, you just follow me on YouTube, then next week I will have another travel trading video for you guys. But for now, that is it, short and sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.